Hey everybody, Greg Luchek with the Luchek Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you an exciting new home listing tour. The property that we're at today is 7652 Amberley Drive. This is a beautiful home located in the Indigo Ranch neighborhood. You get District 49 schools, easy access to the Power Shopping corridor, and this home was beautifully built by Classic Homes. You notice you've got the fantastic stucco exterior that looks beautiful with that stone accent. You've got an inline 3-car garage. You've got a community walking trail just to the left of the home. You've got no rear neighbors, and you've got beautiful views of Pikes Peak. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You've got over 3,000 finished square feet, including a garden level basement. You can see you've got beautiful meticulous landscaping in the front as well as the back, including this beautiful stone edging throughout. You've got an oversized lot that features a huge oversized deck, a great side yard including garden beds, and you've got another beautiful side gravel patio that would be great for kids' play area or an adult play area, as you can see set up beautifully now with an awesome fire pit. This home has been beautifully maintained and really lovingly updated inside as well as out. You've got some fantastic finishes inside, and the outside entertaining space is absolutely fantastic and a beautiful blend of indoor and outdoor living area. Let's check out the interior as well, as there's some really cool stuff to show you inside the home. When you enter this home, you can see immediately some of the beautiful architectural details, like those beautiful arched entryways that transition you throughout the home. You're greeted by an extensive foyer with real hardwood floors that transition you into a beautiful open dining room space, or set up as a sitting room the way the sellers now have it. And they really had cool separation of spaces using these techniques. From this, you're going to transition into another area that could also be set up as the dining room, as the sellers have it here, or a flex space. I've seen these areas set up all kinds of different ways and all look really beautiful and conveniently flowing together. As we come into the heart of the home, you'll see you've got a big family room area, as well as a beautiful kitchen that's been absolutely remodeled, newly refinished kitchen cabinets, a beautiful center island, a large kitchen pantry, super high-end Samsung appliances, a graphite sink, and a big counter bar. This is a huge open kitchen that provides access to that oversized 3-car garage, as well as the home's family room. Look at all of this natural light that you get, and you've got a great TV area to enjoy right here next to the tile-clad gas fireplace. There are 2 bedrooms on the main level, including the home's master bedroom. This is a spacious area with tons of natural light, overlooking the backyard of the home. You've also got a beautiful 5-piece bath with a deep garden soaking tub, a separate shower, raised double vanity sinks, and beautiful updates in the bathroom as well. The other bedroom on the main level is just off the foyer. It is spacious. You've got a second bathroom on the main level, as well as this full bathroom here is adjacent to the second bedroom and open for guests. From that main family room area, we walk out to that oversized backyard that we talked about earlier. We're not done yet as we go downstairs to a fully finished garden level basement. You can see as soon as you come downstairs, you've got a ton of natural light with the garden level setup that can easily be closed off to enjoy super private movie experiences. You've got the surround sound speakers that are already in place, and you've got a huge open level that can easily be set up for a movie area, game room, pool table, any setup you'd like to have down here. You've got 2 bedrooms on the lower level as well. Both are very spacious, both feature walk-in closets, and both have great natural light through the windows as well. The lower level also features another full bathroom with beautiful stone countertops, as well as double vanity sinks. And the basement area also features a large laundry room with laundry sink, as well as copious storage. Thank you so much for checking out this home listing tour. If you'd like more information on this home, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. If you'd like a private tour of this beautiful home, please give me a call at 719-271-8888 anytime. We are offering a 2.5% broker compensation to any realtors who bring us the buyer. Thanks so much for checking the house out. See you on the next one.